Hi, this is Frela from anyhousecleaning.com, and someone asked me why this bottle is so expensive. I don't think that it's expensive. I don't put the prices. My provider put the prices. The price is $23.50, I guess, and the reason is the brand is Clorox Commercial Solutions. This is no bleach. This is hydrogen peroxide, disinfectant cleaner. Okay, kills. You can read it because my English is not that good. Kills bacteria and virus. The directions are here on the back. Eliminates 99.9% of bacteria and virus, and it's an EPA register. Here's the registration. EPA registration number 67619/24, and it will kill virus. It's a human coronavirus, and this is all the specifications. If someone can find it in Walmart, please let me know. Thank you.